In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check boxes in Foxit Reader forms. Whether you're a seasoned Foxit Reader user or just getting started, this tutorial will guide you through the simple process of working with checkboxes in PDF forms. First, let's talk about what you need to do before selecting any checkbox. Foxit Reader, like many PDF readers, uses specific tools for interacting with different parts of a document. For tasks such as selecting checkboxes, the tool you'll be using is the Hand tool. Often, this is the default cursor that you see when you open most PDF files, but it's always good to make sure. If you don't see the hand icon, you can usually find it in the top menu or under the View or Tools section. By ensuring you have the right tool activated, you're setting yourself up to interact seamlessly with the document and ultimately successfully check those boxes. Now, once you've confirmed that you're using the Hand tool, you're ready to select your checkbox. Navigate to the part of the document where your form is located. The beauty of electronic forms really shines here, as filling them out is straightforward and can even be more reliable than pen and paper. Look for the checkbox you need to interact with. When you spot it, simply move your cursor over the checkbox and click on it. You'll find that one click is usually all it takes to check it. If you've done everything correctly, you'll see the checkbox fill in, typically with a check mark. While this may seem basic, mastering forms is essential, especially if you work with PDFs regularly. It's the small details like these that can save you precious time and boost your productivity. One tip to remember is always double-check your forms after checking boxes, ensuring everything is complete, as sometimes it's easy to overlook a box, especially if the document contains multiple forms. If you ever need to uncheck a box, don't worry. It's as easy as checking it. With the Hand tool, simply click on the box again, and the check mark should disappear, leaving the box empty. This flexibility is one of the perks of using a digital form interface, allowing for easy corrections or changes. To sum up, checking boxes in Foxit Reader forms is a straightforward process. Start by ensuring you have the Hand tool selected to enable interaction. Then, navigate to your desired checkbox within the document and click to check or uncheck as needed. Remember, digital forms are designed for convenience, so you should find this process not only simple, but also efficient. Thanks for tuning in to this brief explanation. We hope this walkthrough has helped clarify the process for you, making your form-filling tasks quicker and hassle-free. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your digital document handling skills.